Oh shit, that truck. I hope you can see this. Oh shit, that truck. Looks like it's gonna get blown over. Oh man, really close there. Whoa, dude. The wind is extremely strong, and this truck in front of me right now was just about sideways. Look at leaning over there. Oh man, looks like it's gonna fall over. I don't know if you can see this in the camera, but that is pretty scary. And here's my turn off, so I'm not gonna be able to see more of this. I don't want to. Hope he makes it to his destination. Or any of these trucks. Ooh, hey. Any of these trucks on the road right now. I hope they don't. Whew. Didn't realize the wind was that strong, but yep. Whoa. Wow. Alright, here's my turn. Good luck, guy. Good luck. Whew.